Here we have a problem on logarithm, that is we have to simplify this logarithmic expression. Okay, let me rewrite the given expression, that is 1 divided by 2 times log 25 to the base 10 minus 2 times log 3 to the base 10 plus log 18 to the base 10. Okay, in the first step what I am going to do is I am going to take this value as exponent of 25 and I am going to take this 2 as exponent of 3. So using the third fundamental law of logarithm, so then I get log 25 to the power of 1 by 2 to the base 10 minus log 3 square to the base 10 plus log 18 to the base 10. Okay, now what we can do is we can change this exponent 1 of a square root. So log square root of 25 to the base 10 minus the value of 3 square is 9, so log 9 to the base 10 plus log 18 to the base 10. So the value of square root of 25 is 5, so log 5 to the base 10 minus log 9 to the base 10 plus log 18 to the base 10. Okay, now what I need to do is have to use the fundamental law and simplify the subtraction of the first two logarithms. If two logarithms are in subtraction, we have to take the logarithm once with the same base and we have to divide the arguments, then we get 5 divided by 9. So we can take the third logarithm as it is, that is log 18 to the base 10. Okay, now two logarithms are in addition, so now what we need to do is using the fundamental law, we can take the logarithm once with the same base, we can multiply the arguments 5 by 9 and 18. So 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18. So we get log 5 times 2 is 10, so log 10 to the base 10. Here the argument and base, both of them are equal, so the value of this logarithm is 1. So the simplification of the given logarithm is equal to 1.